In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on Quora. If your inbox is filling up with updates you don't need, this quick walkthrough will help you clean things up while still keeping control over what you see from Quora. First, head into your Quora settings. You'll find this in your account menu, and everything we need lives in one place. Inside settings, look for the section labeled Email and Notifications. This is where Quora groups all the controls for what it sends you and how often. Once you're in Email and Notifications, scroll down to the area called Email Preferences. This is the key section for cutting down on clutter. Here, Quora lists the types of emails it can send, each with its own checkbox. To stop the messages entirely, simply uncheck the options you don't want. You'll likely see Quora Digest. This is the roundup email that bundles trending questions and answers. If you don't want periodic digests, uncheck it. Next is Popular Answers. These are one-off emails alerting you when answers are getting traction. If that sounds like noise, uncheck it as well. You should also see Recommended Questions. These suggestions try to match your interests but can add up quickly, so uncheck this to silence those prompts. Finally, there's Messages. These are email notifications when someone sends you a direct message on Quora. If you prefer to check messages only when you log in, uncheck this too. After you've removed the check marks from everything you don't want, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button at the bottom or top of the page and click it. This step is essential. If you navigate away without saving, Quora will keep your old preferences and you'll continue receiving emails. Give it a moment, then glance back at the Email Preferences section to confirm your choices stayed in place. From now on, you should notice a significant drop or a complete stop in Quora emails, depending on what you unchecked. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you still want a light touch of updates, you can leave on just one option, like Messages, and turn off the rest. And remember, these settings control email notifications. If you're still seeing alerts inside the app or on your device, those are separate and can be managed elsewhere on your phone or within Quora's other notification sections. That's it. You've streamlined your Quora notifications with just a few simple adjustments. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, quieter inbox.